Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Huda Beauty Neon Palettes review. I actually used one of the palettes to achieve this look right here. I only used just one palette, guys, just one palette to create this look. So I'm just going to share my thoughts with you guys about the palettes, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys to see what they look like on me. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first palette I'm going to be showing you guys is the neon orange palette right here. I actually used this palette to create the looks that I'm wearing right now. So I didn't use any other palette apart from this palette to create this look. So I am just going to go through each of the palette with you guys. So this is what the neon orange palette looks like. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to that. So this is what the color looks like. There are 3 glittery shades and 6 matte shades in the palette, so I'm just going to quickly swatch some of the shades in the palette for you guys to see. I might as well just swatch the whole palette for you guys to see. This is the neon orange palette. It's the one that I use for my lids. I quite like the formulation of the palette because every single shade in the palette are very opaque, and you know, they apply easily on the lids and they blend in really well. You guys are gonna see how I use them to create this look. I really like how they just, you know, blend in together to work out really well for me. I quite like the formulation of the palette, so I'm just going to show you guys. Very bright and summer friendly. As you can tell, it's, you know, they pop up really well on my lids as well. The same way they pop up on the skin, the same way they pop up on my skin, they also pop up on your lids. So I quite like how they, you know, blend in really smoothly. And yeah, there was minimal fallout, which is normal for the matte ones, but the gold shades work out really well, and the shimmery shades also apply really well on the lids as well. So I quite like that. But this is what they look like again. I really just I really don't take them off my hand to watch. They swatch really well on the, you know, skin as well as the lid. This is what the lime green neon palette looks like. This palette right here, this is what the shades look like. You know, pardon my swatches, I just swatch them. I've tried my best as much as I can. You guys know that I'm not very good with swatches, but then yeah, this is what the shades in this palette looks like. Some of the shade looks alike on camera, but if you see them in real life, they look totally different. I quite like this palette a lot because a lot of, you know, the shimmery shades in this palette, you know, they swatch differently as opposed to the way they look on the palette. The one that looks really white, this shade right here, it looks really white on the palette, but when you swatch it, it reflects another shade like green, white. It gives you, I don't know how to explain that, but I quite like, you know, the effects that it gives, you know, on the lids and when you swatch them. I don't know if you guys have the Huda Beauty Desert Ducts palette. Yeah, if you have that palette, there's one particular shade in that palette that, you know, when you swatch that shade, it looks gold in the palette, but it gives you another like dimensional shade when you swatch it or you wear it on your lids. This way the shades in this lemon green looks like, which makes me to even like it more. Like, you get that dimensional colors or shades or tones to your eyeshadow look, which I really quite like a lot. So I don't know if the camera is doing justice to that, but that's what the color looks like. If you can go out there, you know, to stores to swatch it, then you get what I mean. So far so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing on my skin right now. I'm quite a huge fan of duochrome shades, so that palette is giving me that vibe right now. So this is the neon palette. Oh my days, how did I swatch this? Oh yeah. So this is the neon palette. These are the shades in the neon palette. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know if the camera is focusing on this right now. Pink neon palette looks like. These are the shades in the palette. And as you can tell, this palette also have shades that have duochrome tones to them. There are 5 matte shades and 4 shimmery shades in this palette, and this is what the palette looks like right there. The 4 shimmery shades in this palette also have duochrome tones to them, so if you swatch them, they give you that different kind of look, but they still have that pink undertones to them, which I really quite like a lot. So you expect applying a pink or purple shade on your lids and you end up with pink shade with another kind of purple tone to it, so which is really quite nice because the palettes have very unique, you know, feel to them. So it's very difficult for me to choose or pick which one that I really like most, because when I pick one and say, oh yeah, this is my favorite, then you open another one and you be like, wow, I love this again. And you open another one, you like, wow, I love this again. So this is the feel or vibe that I'm getting from this palette so far. So that's my thoughts about the palette so far. Apart from the fact that the packagings are really really cute, the palettes are also very small and cheeky and travel friendly. So in this video I'm going to be using just one palette, which is the orange neon palette, and I applied the yellow shade in the palette on my lids, and I then applied the orange shade on top of the yellow shade as my transitional shade. Then I applied the MAC, you know, studio mixing medium, yeah, on my lids, just, you know, to be able to grab the, you know, shades really well. But feel free to apply wherever you choose to. Then I applied the yellow glittery stroke shimmer shade in the palette on my, you know, lid as well. Then next, I took the orange shade in the palette, which is a shimmery shade. I applied it just right beside the orange shade I applied earlier. Then I took the purple shade from the palette and, you know, applied that next on the orange side. But this time around, to line my light lids, I didn't use the black liner at all. I used one of our, you know, method shadow to line my lids, and yeah, that's all I did so far for the look. It's very very easy to do, it's very very simple, and yeah, it gives that summery sunset vibe. So if you get what I mean, I just used just one palette to do this and I'm loving it. So next I used the Kiss eyelashes. Then, well, the rest of the things that I did are quite self-explanatory, but so far so good. I really quite love the palette. They're very very, you know, lightweight and travel friendly. So if you're looking for a mini version of our big palettes, then I would definitely recommend you go for this palette. You know, they give that same formula, that same blending, you know, I mean, everything about them is quite similar to the our big palette. So yeah, if you're looking to start by purchasing a palette and you just thought, let me try, you know, Huda Beauty's palette, then you can start with with these mini ones, because yeah, they give you the same formula, they give you the same, you know, pigment and everything. So yeah, I quite like them a lot. So far so good. What do you guys think? If you were to choose one palette out of the three, which of the palettes would you choose? Well, it's very difficult for me to pick my favorite anyway, so that's why I will throw it to you guys. Like, if you really, really like, definitely need to pick one of the palettes, which one would you choose? So let me know down below. Let me know what you guys really think. Like, let me know if you had to choose one, then which one would you go for? Anyway, moving on. I also noticed that the duochrome shades are very very opaque, guys. Very very opaque. You can apply them with, you know, like mixing medium or any light primer of your choice, and you can also apply them, you know, on your bare lids, depending on the look you're going for. Anyway, I quite like them anyway. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and bear in mind that you can also pair them with other palettes to create different looks. If you're the type that you don't really like everything on your lids to be like loud or powder, then you can mix them with, you know, other shades like brown tone, you know, to tone them down a bit. But neons and neons, they're always like, hello there, I'm here. So yeah, but if you want to cool them down a bit, you can as well use, you know, very dark or brown tones to tone them down a bit and then apply them on your lids, as opposed to, you know, using bright shade as your transitional shade. So they are quite versatile really. So they are quite versatile. You can use them, you know, loud, you can use them cool toned, you can use them anyhow you please to. Then yeah, that's it really. And yeah, I used the what's it called, the Huda Beauty resting boss face to set my face. I actually did a review of that in another video, which I thought I was going to post before this one, but depending on how it goes, I'm going to edit that video today as well. So whichever one comes first, I would, you know, share my thoughts about them with you guys. I did share my thoughts about them with you guys actually. So whichever one I post first, I would, yeah, see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments, and thank you so much for always supporting me. You guys are the best. Bye guys.